Hi, and welcome to Character Adjustments. Characters are the first focus point for the viewer. Optimization of your character is essential in having amazing designs and a great viewer experience. In this video, we will be looking at how to get the best out of your character with background blur, character placements, combining characters, lighting adjustments, and scene color grading. Let's look at background blur. Select the backdrop and click on Edit Photo. Now click on the blur function and adjust intensity accordingly. This is useful if you want the character to pop out and provide depth perspective. This is only recommended for digital products and not for print. Let's look at character placement next. Character placement depends on the intention of the design and where the text or heading component is to be placed. In this example, we will look at a party invitation and utilize the backdrop and character combined with a wooden board element to create a design for the details of the party. The character is positioned at the bottom left-hand corner to make space for an informational design. By playing and experimenting with character placements, essentially creates a vast array of options for your design to stand out. The backdrop can also be replaced with a solid color. This will make the board and character stand out. Play around to find the design that you find most appealing. And there it is. By utilizing the existing party invitation page, we have designed a details page for the invitation. This can be printed on the back of the invitation. Now let's look at combining characters. Combining characters can effectively enhance the design and is used primarily for a design that needs to incorporate the different characters in other areas of the product, which we will look at later. Here I am inserting the characters one by one onto the backdrop. Resize and play around with the placement of each. Please note I have not added in shadows for each character for the sake of time. Utilizing the position function in Canva allows for easier positioning and placement of the characters. The position function also allows for ease of character layering, one over the other. I am positioning the characters in a triangle format for more visual appeal, largest character in the middle and shorter side to side. Any character can be chosen to be the largest or smallest. I added two header components at the start of the example. I am changing the heading and the font to a more suitable theme. Fonts are crucial design elements and complements your product. I suggest you experiment with the fonts options in Canva to find the most suitable one for the specific product you are designing. Now that we have our cover page done, let's look at how the characters on the front cover can be used throughout. I have designed a simple alphabet mock-up and used a character for each letter. The characters can be rotated throughout the letters as you design. The backdrops I used are from photo backgrounds in Canva. In the next section, we will look at lighting adjustments and scene color grading. Lighting adjustments refer to changes made to the characters through filter effects and/or adjustments to temperature, tint, brightness, contrast, etc. This is done so that the character's color scheme matches the backdrop and makes the character backdrop integrate. Scene color grading follows the exact same process, but the adjustments are made to the backdrop. This can be done in conjunction with the character to achieve the perfect color blend. In most cases, the character colors are not affected by the backdrop and vice versa, and therefore only slight or no adjustments needs to be made. Let's look at an example.